Here we are going to study about the multiple integrals. In the multiple integral, first we see the double integral. What do you mean by double integral? Already you are all familiar with the single integration. In the double integration, we are having integration with respect to two variables. First, we have to do integration with respect to x. Okay, here the inner integral limit, integration limit is x1 and x2. Here, this x1 and x2 are either a constant or function of second variable. Second variable is nothing but the other variable y, function of y. So, first we do the inner integration with respect to x and apply the limit. Then we go to the outer integration. Outer integration is with respect to y. So, here the limit is y1 and y2. y1, y2 are always constant. Here f of xy, it is the function what we are going to integrate. So this is the procedure of double integral. Similarly, we are having the definition of triple integral. Here the given integral I equal to z1 to z2 Here we are having three variables x, y, z. First, we do the inner integration with respect to x. And for that, very important one is we have to treat y and z are constant. So first, integrate with respect to x. So treating other variable. What are the other variable? Y and z. Y and z are constant. So when we do the inner integration by treating y and z are constant, after that we have to apply the limits. Here the limits are x1 and x2. Limits x1 and x2 are either a constant or function of other two variables. What are the other two variables? Remaining variables are y and z. So, first we finish the integration with respect to x, treating y and z are constant. Second, we have to do the middle integration. Second, integrate with respect to what is the middle variable? Here the middle variable is y. With respect to y, treating the other variable. What is the other variable? That is z. Treating z as a constant. Here after finish the middle integration, here the limits are y1 and y2. What is the nature of y1, y2 is it should be either constant or function of another variable. What is the remaining variable means z. So y1 and y2 are either constant or function of other variable z. See, lastly, integrate with respect to The last variable, what is the last variable here? It is with respect to z. Here, the outer integration limit z1 and z2 always be constant only. Integrate with respect to z. Here, z1 and z2 are constant. So, this is the procedure of doing the triple integration. Now, we do the simple problems. Evaluate. Here we have to do the double integral. See the limits. The limits are constant. Outer integration limit is 0 to 1. Inner integration is 0 to 2. Both are constant. So it is very simple to us. So first we do the integration with respect to y. So by doing the inner integration, we have to keep other variable as a constant. What is the other variable? X. So we have to keep x as a constant. Write outer integration as it is. Write the constant as it is. Integration of y square is y cube by 3. And the limit is 0 to 2 dx. We have to apply the limit only for y. So 0 to 1 x, apply the upper limit. Okay, apply the upper limit for y. So we will get 8 by 3. When we apply lower limit, it is 0 into dx. Now the outer integration is over. Now we go to the, inner integration is over. Now we go to for the outer integration. So that is with respect to x. So write 8 by 3 as it is. Integration of x is x square by 2. So here it is 8 by 3. When we apply the limit, we will get 1 by 2. So which is nothing but 4 by 3. The next problem, evaluate 0 to 1. See this problem. First we do the integration with respect to y. Treating x as a constant. Okay. So write outer integration as it is. What is the integration of e power x? E power x integration is e power x only. Okay. So we know e power x dx is e power x. Similarly, what is the integration of e power x plus 2? E power x plus 2 is e power x plus 2. What is the integration of e power 2x? Okay, e power 2x is e power 2x by 2. So please find the difference. So x plus constant is the same only. Here, instead of constant, what we are having? Y. Y is also we are treating as a constant. So integration of e power x plus y is e power x plus y alone. Here the limit is 0 to x dx. Now we have to apply the limit. We have to apply the limit. Be careful. We have to apply the limit for the variable y because we did the integration with respect to y. So 0 to 1. Apply the upper limit. Y equal to x means we will get e power 2x. Minus apply the lower limit. Y equal to 0 means we will get e power x. X. Now we finish the inner integration. Next we move to the outer integration with respect to x. E power 2x integration e power 2x by 2 minus e power x 0 to 1. Okay. Now apply the limit. So first apply upper limit e square by 2 Here substitute x equal to 1 means minus e. Okay, we have to apply the lower limit also. X equal to 0. We have to put x equal to 0. E power 0 is 1. 1 of minus 1. So we can simplify this. E squared by 2 minus e of minus 1 minus of. So we will get plus of. So here we take 1 by 2 outside means e square minus 2e plus 1. So which is equal to e minus 1 whole square by 2. Okay, next problem. Evaluate 2 to 3, 1 to 2 dx dy by xy. See here, the limits are constant. Okay, first, what is the inner integration? Inner integration is with respect to x. We are treating this y is a constant. Other variable y is a constant. Write outer integration as it is. In the function, write the constant as it is. What is the constant? 1 upon y. What is the integration of dx by x? Dx by x, I think you remember, it is nothing but log x. So it is log x. So for this inner integration limit is 1 to 2 dy. So 2 to 3, 1 by y, apply the upper limit log 2 minus lower limit log 1 dy. So we know the log 1 value is 0. Okay. So write log 2 outside 2 to 3 dy by y. Now we go to the outer integration. That is a very simple integration, single integration with respect to y only. See the function here, the function has only the variable y. What is the integration of 1 by y? Nothing but log y. The limit is 2 to 3. So log 2, log 3 minus log. So we know log 2, log 3 minus log 2 is log of 3 by. So this is the answer of this problem. So next problem, we go to further triple integration. Evaluate 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to c, x plus y plus z, dx, dy, dz. See this problem. First, we do the integration with respect to x. Next, we do the integration with respect to y. Lastly, we do integration with respect to z. Okay, see the limit. That is the very important. Here, the limit has only the constant. So, it is very easy to us. So, what to do? First, write outer integration, middle integration as it is. When we do the inner integration with respect to x, we treat the other variable y and z are constant. Okay, first integration of x is x squared by 2. Second term is y. Y is nothing but constant. So, y integration is yx plus z integration, that is zx. Okay, here the limit is 0 to c. dy dz. I think you remember the integration of 2 into dx means what is the integration of that one? 2x. Okay, 2 is the constant. Instead of 2, we are having y and z because we are treating y and z are constant. Now write the integration, 2 integration as it is. Apply the limit for x. Okay, so apply the upper limit. So c square by 2 plus cy plus cz. When we apply the lower limit, all the three terms are 0. So dy dz. Now we finish the inner integration. Next we move to the middle integration with respect to y. When we do the middle integration, we are treating the other variable. What is the other variable we are having? Z. So this Z is, we can treat that as a constant. So 0 to a. So the first term c square by 2 is nothing but constant. So c square by 2 y plus c. Y is the variable. So y integration y square by 2. Third term c z both are constant. So the integration is integration of dy is y 0 to b dz. Now apply the limit for y. So 0 to a c square by 2 b plus c b square by 2 plus c zb into dz. Now we finish the inner integration, middle integration. The remaining one is the third variable, that is our z with respect to z. See the function. This is our function. It has only the variable z. The remaining all are constant only. Okay. So first term c square b by 2. That is the constant. So integration of dz is z. Second term c b square by 2 constant, integration is z. The third term is cb. Integration of z is z square by 2. The limit is 0 to a. Now we apply the limit for z. So c square b by 2 a plus c b square by 2 a plus c b a square by 2. Now we can simplify by taking common. So what we can take common? A, B, C by 2. So which is nothing but A plus B plus C. With the next problem, evaluate 0 to 1, 0 to Z, 0 to Y plus Z, dz, dy, dx. See that here the limit as the variable. Okay, for that we have to write the given order should be correct or not. First we have to check it. See here, the outer integration is constant. Okay, the inner and middle integration is, so right, our I equal to, write the limit. Here the middle integration with respect to z. So definitely the last integration is with respect to z only. Then only when we apply the limit, we will get the function of z. Okay, see here, the first integration with respect to y and z. The z portion is over. The remaining is y. So the middle one is y. So the first one is dx. Okay, this is the one way of thinking. The another way is the inner integration as the variable y and z. Definitely it is for x. So we have to write dx first. Okay, and the second one is integration as the limit z. Okay, definitely it is for either x or y, but the x role is over. So definitely it is for the remaining one, that is y. The last one is definitely it is none other z. Okay, this is the another way of thinking. Okay, so whenever the limit as the variable, we have to think whether the given integration they are given in the correct order or not. So write outer integration as it is, middle integration as it is. First do inner integration. Here there is no function, so integration of dx is x. The limit is 0 to y plus z dy dz. Okay. Now apply the limit 0 to 1, 0 to z, x equal to, apply the limit means y plus z minus 0. Lower limit is 0. dy dz. Now we move to the middle integration with respect to y. When with respect to y means the other variable. What is the remaining variable? Z. That is, we have to treat that z as a constant. So 0 to 1. What is the first term? Here the first term is y. So integration of y is y square by, second term is z. Z integration is, z is constant. So the integration is by 0 to z dz. Now apply the limit for the variable y. So 0 to 1 z square by 2 plus y equal to z means we will get z square dz. Now we do the integration with respect to z. First term of right as it is, z square integration z cube by 3. Second term z square integration z cube by 3. So apply the limit means what you will get, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. So which is nothing but 1 by 3. Okay. Next we do the another problem. Evaluate 0 to 1, y square to 1, 0 to 1 minus x, x, dx, dy, dz. See here again the limit as the variable. The inner integration limit as the variable x. The middle integration as the variable y. Okay, wow. So we have to think whether they are given in the correct order. So how to write the correct order means 0 to 1, y square to 1, 0 to 1 minus x. See here, the middle integration as the variable y. Definitely when we apply the limit, we are getting the function of y. So the last integration only with respect to y only. Okay. And the first integration as the variable x. So when we apply the limit, we are getting function of x. So the middle integration with respect to x only. So the first integration is with respect to the remaining variable. What is the remaining variable? That is z. Okay. Here the given function is x. So here what order they have given? Dx, dy, dz. But they have not given correct order. So we have to rewrite. It is the order dz, dx, dy. So here, what is the first integration? First integration is with respect to z. Here the function is x. We have to treat this x as a constant. So write outer integration, middle integration as it is. Integration of x is x z. The limit is 0 to 1 minus x dx dy. Now apply the limit. We have to apply the limit for the variable z. So write outer integration, middle integration as it is. Apply the limit for z is 1 minus x dx dy. Now we finish the inner integration. Now we move to the middle integration. The middle integration is with respect to x. So 0 to 1. What is the first term? X. When we multiply, what is that? X minus x square. So first term is x. So the integration x square by 2. Second term x square. The integration is x cube by 3. Y square to 1 dy. So 0 to 1, apply the limit. So the upper limit is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus, apply the lower limit. What is the lower limit? Y square. Substitute y square for x square means we will get y power 4 by 2 minus y power 6 by 3 into dy. So now we have to do the final integration, that is with respect to y. So here we can simplify when taking LCM. What you will get? 3 minus 2, 1 by 6 minus y power 5, 4 by 2 plus y power 6 by 3 dy. Now we do the integration with respect to y. So 1 by 6 y minus 1 by 2 y power 4 integration y power 5 by 5 plus 1 by 3 y power 7 by 7. 0 to 1. So which is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 21 when we apply the limit. When we simplify all these, what is the answer is, you check it, it is 4 upon 35 while taking the LCM. Okay.